and gentlemen, we have gathered for the premiere of our very own, the Kia Seltos.
The latest avatar of our most awaited, most loved, and the most exclusive inspiration designed for new age evolved customers, the new Kia Seltos. Our 4 years success journey of becoming one of India's top 5 players has been possible because of our distinct brand identity and the love of over 9 lakh customers. Looking at the opportunity and the advent of the Seltos 2.0, today we are embarking on a new transformation journey, Kia 2.0.
We are incredibly proud today that we sell one Seltos out of 10 Kia cars globally. It is a model that contributes to 10% of Kia Corporation's global sales. We are so proud to share that despite multiple innovations, Seltos has maintained its imagery and leadership position. It continues to command a 33% such share in the segment. For the first time ever, we are introducing a priority delivery concept of K-Code for new Seltos bookings as a token of gratitude to current Seltos customers. All we can say is that the new Seltos will prove to be a perfect evolution and will create newer and bigger benchmark in the segment. I have no doubt that is the most perfect Seltos ever.
The new Seltos is a bigger, bolder, smarter, stylish driving LI which integrates well with the dynamic lifestyles of always on-the-move customer. To start a new smart revolution in the SUV segment, we have focused on taking the 4 important pillars to the next level: design, technology, user experience, and powertrain to enable a smart drive experience. The new Seltos is equipped with the most advanced ADAS 2.0 for unmatched safety and peace of mind. In addition to this, there are 15 safety features that are standard across the entire Seltos range, making new Seltos one of the safest SUVs in India with overall 32 safety features. The Seltos will be offered in 3 powertrain and 5 transmission options, such as automatic transmission for diesel, intelligent variable transmission, the dual clutch transmission, the intelligent manual transmission, and without a doubt, the manual transmission. The new Seltos will come with 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine, which has 160 PS and 253 Newton-meter torque, making it the most powerful SUV in the segment.
Kia, movement that inspires.